Eskute T300 Pro is marketed as an electric bike designed for commuting, longer rides, and more comfortable everyday travel. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, electric bikes have become much more popular because they can make commuting easier and reduce effort on longer trips. What it does well, can reduce effort while riding. Electric assistance makes hills and longer distances easier to handle, useful for commuting. Many riders use e-bikes as an alternative to cars or public transport, where the hype falls apart. Range depends on real-world conditions. This is the biggest issue. Rider weight, terrain, speed, and riding mode all affect battery life. Performance may differ from marketing claims. Advertised numbers often come from ideal conditions. Weight matters. E-bikes can feel heavier than traditional bicycles. So, should you buy a Eskute T300 Pro? Short answer, it depends on your needs. If you want electric assistance for commuting and everyday riding, it may be useful. But if you're expecting perfect range and effortless riding under every condition, expectations may be too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.